why the YaYbag should be your next reusable bag. First, it is a fashionable and multi-use bag which you can use for travel, work, school, or groceries. Its use is only limited by your imagination. Number 2, the material is made out of polyester with a nice soft hand feel, yet strong enough to hold up to 55 pounds. It is also water resistant and machine washable. Number 3 is the quality of the print and the playful design. We have hundreds of options to choose from. Number 4, the straps are designed ergonomically with a binding finish so that you can carry it on your shoulders comfortably. Number 5 is the quality of workmanship, such as the tight stitching and the double stitch seams with nylon thread. Number 6, you can fold it in a compact size, making it convenient and easy to carry and use. You can view the folding instructions on YouTube or by scanning the QR code inside your bag. So first we'll take out our elastic on the YaYbag tag side. Then we will fold our bag into half, fold down the handle, and begin to fold our bag into thirds. Then we'll fold our bag in half and roll up the bag. Lastly, take your elastic and secure your bag in place.